No. Man mo. Dire mo.
Number 2, as a syndrome. As a syndrome to the power and order of dick. Number 3, couple up to the house. Lead it up to the house pipe. And sa house pipe.
May ayo, housewife.
Turn the windows over slowly. Number 6, oil the moving parts. See that the girls are on the windows here. Remove the compressor bar. The order to as anchor is received. Release the brake and begin giving the keyboard. In the keyboard is safe aboard. The keyboard is goes down to wash away any dirt. The shackles appear. The right number of rings is giving on the forecastle bell. Break the forecastle bell repeatedly and brush away. Brush away, ma'am. Number 9.
Wala na.